Amarinder Singh, known publicly as Captain Amarinder Singh, is an Indian politician, military historian, author, former royal and former veteran serving as the 15th and current Chief Minister of Punjab. An elected member of the Legislative Assembly from Patiala, he was also the president of Punjab Pradesh Congress Committee, the state division of the Indian National Congress. He has also previously served as the Chief Minister of Punjab from 2002 to 2007. He is currently the oldest Chief Minister by age, serving any state in India. His father was the last Maharaja of the princely state of Patiala. He has also served in the Indian Army from 1963 to 1966. In 1980, he won a seat in the Lok Sabha for the first time. As of February 2021, Singh also serves as the chairman of the Punjab Urdu Academy. Singh is the son of Maharaja Sir Yadavendra Singh and Maharani Mohinder Kaur of Patiala, belonging to the Phalkean dynasty. He attended the Loreto Convent, Tara Hall, Shimla, and Lawrence School, Sanawar, before going to the Doon School, Dehradun. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.